Welcome back to the Ultimate Diecast Garage, where today we're going to be checking out this fineworks64 lowrider. Something a little bit different on the channel, so make sure to stick to the end as this model is really cool. Straight away you can see the packaging, your standard sleeve design with this cool graffiti packaging, really cool, nice and unique. And the model is displayed a little bit differently to what you'd normally expect from these acrylic models. You can see it's got a mirrored base, and the model is in the Mini GT style packaging with the plastic cover. It's not screwed onto the base at all, but that's because of the cool features this model has, which you will see at the end. This model is absolutely packed with different features, including movable axles and opening parts, and also interchangeable parts as well, which I was really excited to check out, and especially for the price point, you can't really go wrong. You can see those axles are able to be moved, which is really cool, as you can put it in all sorts of different positions. You can move the front ones left to right, the back ones up and down. Like I say, really cool to see, and you can put this model in all sorts of positions to really make this model unique in your collection and just really add to the realism of your dioramas. Or if you just wanted to display it on the base, you can do that, as like I say, the base is mirrored, so it looks really cool on the base. You will see that at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around. The axles have got a lot of movement in them. You can move them quite far down, and like I say, if you did want to just leave it slammed as well, you can do that very easily, and it does look really cool that way as well. Like I say, this model does have the opening features as well, with a detailed engine and also the boot being able to open up with a sound system sort of thing in the back, which was really cool to see, as they've really gone all out on this model. And the overall level of detail on the exterior of the model is also really good as well, with the headlights and the tail lights also being very good. You can see that roof is removable, and it does come with a spare extra part, which you will see, but you can see the detail on the interior is quite good as well. The door cards are personally my favourites. The dashboard has a bit of detail, it could potentially have a bit more, but you're probably increasing the price point at that point, as this model costs around £25 to £30. You can get one on a more premium style base, which unfortunately I didn't get, but nonetheless you can see this model is still very cool. The model does roll freely, which is also cool to see, and here you can see the spare part being added onto the back. If you didn't want to have the hardtop roof, you can put the sort of convertible style rear on it, which again is really cool to see. The decals with this purple flame is also really cool, and it's got the lowrider lettering on the back. This model feels really premium in hand, and it's got a lot of weight to it as well, which I do quite like, as these models, they don't feel flimsy in any way, and the axles don't feel flimsy at all either. You can see the model in different poses on the metal base, which is really cool, as you get to see the underside of the model as well, which again, really cool. You can put it in all sorts of different positions, and again, the opening parts, the detailed interior, and also, like I say, those split multi-spoke wire rims, really cool. The engine has got a good amount of detail on it. Maybe it could have been a little bit more, but again, you're probably increasing the price point to around £35 to £40 just for the standard version of this. But for around £25 to £30, I think they've got a lot of detail and a lot of features into this model. You can, like I say, you can have this absolutely slammed to the floor, or you can have it in different lowrider positions with the hydraulics. Really cool to see. You can see that detail on the interior, the chrome steering wheel, the detailed door cards, and the detailed seats. Maybe, like I say, they could have added a bit more detail on the interior, but nonetheless, I still think this model is really cool, and I'll definitely recommend it if you're looking for something different to add to your collection, or if you're into your lowriders, this would definitely be an excellent addition to anyone's collection. Let me know your thoughts on this model down below. Is there something you would change, or do you like it exactly how it is? Personally, I think this model is absolutely fantastic.